Welcome dear all in our YouTube channel Elexys project and myself Professor Munshik, and today we will see a new hardware setup. Title name is timer based smart battery charging system. So hardware setup is as available on your screen as you can see. Before starting its operation, we will see each and every components one by one. So first you can see it's a main switch, okay, to turn on off the entire. It's a power jack to provide power to the battery. So you can see this one adapter is here, okay, 12 volt to 2 ampere of adapter to charge the battery. It's actually a voltage controller to vary the voltage as per the battery requirements. So you can see next is this switches is required to set the time to charge the battery, okay. This is for increment, this is for decrement, as this is the menu button. Most important part of the project is it's an Arduino Nano, okay. You can see it is removable, okay. It is a controller of this entire system, okay. It is Arduino Nano and it is responsible to handle entire operation like taking the time for the battery and checking the battery voltage levels and running the buzzer each and every. So LCD here you can see, and it is responsible to display the time required to charge the battery, okay, and all the conditions like battery voltage conditions, okay. This knob is used to vary the LCD contrast, okay. We will see it when next is a reverse polarity protection diode, okay. If a battery is charged and the system is off, so this diode will prevent the power coming from battery and going to adapter, okay, resulting discharging the battery without any reason. So this diode will protect that condition. This buzzer is used to create sounds, okay, for different actions like pressing button and battery full charge indication. This relay is used to turn on off the charging process, okay. For this purpose this is implemented here. Next is a charging port you can see here, and it is used to connect the battery to the system, and it's an indicator either the battery is charging or not. Next is we will use this battery, okay, for the charging purpose, okay. It's a 12 volt 4 ampere battery. Here is the facility for the student, that the student can write their names here using the pen, okay. Here 5 student can write their name and it is a project name, okay, and here a student can write their guide name, okay. So we student have this facility. Let's provide the power to the system using this adapter you can see here, okay, and switch is already on. In the battery to the system using these plugs, the crocodile clips you can say. Have done, okay. Time to turn on the system. So you can see we will use this main switch here, okay. So system is on now, okay, and you can see that it is a current supply voltage is 11.4 voltage, okay, and here you can see system is off, okay, because there is no timing interval here, okay. So suppose if any kind of battery required 6 volt to charge itself, okay. So using this controller blue port we can vary the voltage of the battery, okay, output supply. So here you can see currently output voltage is 11.4 voltage, okay. So using this port we can vary the voltage. So let's rotate it using this screwdriver you can see, okay. So just look on the voltage levels. So I am decreasing it, so you can see it is getting lower and lower because I am rotating the port to decrease the voltage levels, okay. As you know, when each and every battery require different voltages to charge itself, okay. So you can see I am rotating it, okay. So again I am increasing the voltage levels, okay, because our current battery required around 11 to 12 voltage to charge itself. So you can see voltage we have set here using this port. Now we will set the time to charge the battery. So you can see by pressing this menu button we can start saving the time. So let's press it, okay. You can see the buzzer sound. So it is asking that minutes required to charge this battery. So we will set one for demonstration purpose only. You can set any voltage levels, and after setting the minutes using this button, okay, this is button plus button and this is minus button, okay. You can see, okay, I am decreasing it again to 1 minute, okay, because for the fast demonstration I am using the less time. And after pressing this button, menu button, so now it is asking set hours, Okay, so hours we will keep it 0. Okay, it is for your understanding. We can set any hours. Okay, maximum is 24 hours. So I'm going to set it 0. Okay, and I'm gonna press it to start the charging system. Currently you can see battery is not charging because light is off. Okay, but connectors are off, connected. So let's start the battery charging system using pressing this button. So you can see battery has started charging. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see battery is charging now. You can see the time remaining is 30 seconds. Okay, still battery is charging and voltage is around 11.0. Okay, so you can see after ending the time we will listen 3 buzzer voices. Okay, and then after battery charging will terminate or stop, you can say. Okay, 15 seconds is remaining. Okay, you can see after this 0 charging will stop and we will see 3 buzzer voices for our understanding. So see, okay, system has time not missed, charging is done, and you can see charger is turned off. Okay, you can see. Okay, this means our system is working fine. So you can see using this button we can again set a time. Okay, it is asking for minute. Okay, you can set any kind of amount of minute you required from 0 to 60. Okay, I am again selecting it 1 minute, and after pressing this button it is asking for hours, so you can set any hours required. Okay, consider I am 4 hours. I am gonna start the system. So you can see charging has started and it is showing the time 4 hours and 55 seconds. Okay, this is showing after 4 hours it will turn off automatically. It is showing the supply voltage for the charging. Okay, so after ending the video, let's see the backside content of this model. So you can see all the wirings are done using the hand and just soldering. Okay, so you can easily submit it and you will not get any kind of problem while submission. Okay, I can also understand each and every connections. So thank you so much for watching the video. If any student want to purchase this model, please WhatsApp us on the given number, and please subscribe our channel and take care of yourself. Thank you so much.